Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new country. I am here in Albania. I'm in the capital Tirana, and behind me you can see a structure that is called the pyramid. I guess you can understand why that is. It's built in the 80s, if I understood well, and now it's a conference center. Let's have a look at the top for a view over the city. It's just my first day here in Tirana, and actually it's very modern. I didn't really have an idea of what to expect of this country. It's like in Europe, but not in the European Union. One thing I can tell you, it is very, very hot here. It's a full sun, and it's about 33, 34 degrees. And we're just at the start of the day, so it's even getting hotter. And here we are at the stairs. Let's go all the way up there. Wow, look at that blue sky. It's like a stairway to heaven. I think I'm gonna be sweating when we arrive on the top. Okay guys, we're coming at the top here. Let's have a look how Tirana looks from this viewpoint. We have some more modern buildings, and there's also the National Stadium. We have some smaller mountains. It's very green. Have a look on this side. Especially here it looks very green. We have some modern skyscraper there, and with some churches, I think. Could be mosques as well, but I think I see a cross. And on this side we see some higher mountains. Wow. Oh, there's a mosque behind that building. I think this is really a good starting point to visit the city. Like, you can have a little overview of how the city looks from the sky, and from where my hotel was located, this was also like the first point to stop. And down here we have some glass, and we can actually look inside the building. I have a little fear of heights, so I don't think I will climb on it. Okay, maybe we can try it. Damn. I hope this won't break. Nice. What comes up must come down, so walking down the stairs, but a little breeze now feels so good, especially for my longer hair. I'll need this today if I have to explore Tirana in this weather. Well, I'm not complaining, guys. I like sun on my skin. I love good weather. I don't like wearing too many clothes. I like to be out in the t-shirt and in my shorts. But it's hot.